Why do I sleep with braids every single night? Why, you ask? Well, let me tell you why. There are numerous things of why I sleep with braids in my hair. It protects your hair at night. It helps from tangling, which I get plenty of knots because my hair is very wavy and it's on the drier side. And it also helps from just keeping oils in your hair and locking the hair oil in. It helps with hair growth because your hair is just being protected. If you sleep with extra protection, it's even better. So if you sleep with a satin bonnet and then a satin pillowcase, which I do it every single night. I don't always sleep with the satin bonnet, but I have my satin pillowcases. Also, this is very, very good for a full hair style. If you want to have your hair fuller and you have thinner hair, this is great for your hair. So I will show you. I washed my hair yesterday. I used my Indian hair mask with my coconut milk, and that is one of my favorite hair masks to do. I have a lot of them. I will be posting some more, but this is some of them, or one of them that I love. And with my hair mask, with the Indian hair mask, I change it up a little bit. But if you have on the thinner side, this is also very key to having uh, a fuller hair look. Now, also Indian hair mask help to build your hair as well. It helps to strengthen your hair strands on top of everything else that I'm talking. Now, hair growth, it seems like it takes a really long time because quite often we're looking in the mirror, we're checking it out. This is why on one of the ebooks that I posted in some of my descriptions, I tell you to check it every 3 months to see the hair growth, because hair grows half an inch a month. Some maybe a little faster, it seems like, because if you're really taking care of your hair, you're not having that breakage. So this is key to having your hair grow. So anyway, this is something that you can play with. You can fluff it up. You can go and just have a very casual look, or very out on the town look, instead of curling your hair with hot irons, which I have incorporated a little bit back into my hair routine here and there. But I try to use braids, or I use my big roller that goes all the way down. I don't remember what it's called, but I use that every once in a while. And this is just a nice way to have your hair protected at night, and a cute little hairstyle. You could just make it, do whatever you want with it. My hair right now, I have a lot of silver growing, and so I put in my eyeshadow, dark eyeshadow, or I use my hairspray, and that is kind of how I help preserve my hair too, to help it with staying healthy. So this is something that I'm just sharing with you because I did a challenge. I've been growing my hair for a year and a half, but I did a challenge where I check it every 3 months, and I use my Dr. Pepper shirt to measure my hair where it's at. So that is going on 3 month mark. I do it every 3 months and I check it. So I started my first one December 20th, 2024. It is now August and it's almost the 30th. So I'm going to go ahead and measure it. And I'm going to put up the little picture up on top so you could see the difference of how it's grown. Now, I did a hair dusting in my hair in December of last year, 24, as well. And I'm not going to do another hair dusting maybe till the end of this year of December. So I'm just going to basically see. I'm trying to get my hair even because this side's always been longer than this side. But I'm going to just show you really quick without rambling. So this is where my hair is. This is the line. It's pretty much, I'm trying to keep it even where it was. But um, this is looking straight ahead, as you see. And this is what my hair has grown. And it has grown quite a lot. So you can see it. Now it is, like I said, it's a little uneven. My hair looks thinner on the ends because I don't trim it with that blunt look. For me, I like that look. I like the way it looks. I keep my shea butter in my hair. I just have a little tube that I made. This one, I believe, I'm not sure what I used in this one because I do change it up a little bit with the shea butter. It's the block of shea butter, and I take clumps of it. I use different things such as castor oil. I use rosemary oil. I use neem oil. I switch it up, like I said. I use different things: peppermint oil, lavender oil, and you could put just different types and mix it up with your shea butter. And I mainly use these on the end of my hair It is thicker, so I do use this every morning, every night to lock in split ends. And you have to be really gentle when you put it in just because it is thick. You don't want to pull your hair out because it tends to grasp on your hair. So you want to work it in. And I'm telling you, this has been a lifesaver for the ends of my hair. A lot of people say you can't uh, stop split ends from coming. I mean, they will form. I mean, eventually they will form in your hair. That's just the way it is. But I'm telling you, I still do check-ins with my hair. I go outside and look at the ends of my hair, and I really don't have any split ends. I may have seen like a couple here and there, like three maybe at the bottom. I don't know, but um, they don't have really new ones for me, new split ends. So when people tell you that you cannot prevent split ends, you really can. I mean, I don't know. It's working for my hair. So this is something I've been doing and it is saving my hair. So I definitely highly suggest that you go into and look at my, well, I could just tell you the things that I use. Like I said, it's just basically what I explained. So you don't have to really go into my um, descriptions to find it. I do have links that I'm going to be putting down below to join my email list, and I'll send you weekly recipes, weekly transformation tips, what I did to grow my hair out. And I still have old bleach in my hair. So this is something that I am continuing to have my hair thrive and grow. In 8 months from December 20th, my hair's grown a good amount. Now, your hair uh, falls out. It's just, the process of your hair. It can fall, but naturally, when you go through the stages, and I try to put a little bit in my scalp sometimes. I have baby hairs coming in my hair, though, sprouting out continuously. And I have to do another video just to show you. I don't have very many pictures because I was really embarrassed when I was balding. And I did find one that I put a reel out on Instagram when I was on Instagram more, that I was balding. You can kind of see it on the one of the sides. So that is something that I was just so embarrassed that I didn't want to share. If I know now what I know, if I know then what I know now, sorry, I would have posted pictures, but I didn't know I was going to be doing this. I didn't know I was going to be trying to help other people and be have the proof more so to show you that this can be done and regrow your hair, especially as aging hair. You could still have thriving hair. You could still have full, thick hair. You can help your hair with many different things, with vitamins, just babying your hair. And it's not really that hard, honestly. A lot of people think there's so many steps you got to do, but it just becomes a daily habit. It becomes part of like your lifestyle, like brushing your teeth or, getting up and taking your shower, having your coffee. I don't know. It just makes it a routine. So when I wake up, I have my coffee, do whatever. Sometimes I leave the braids in all day if I'm home, and I just chill with that. This way my hair is protected. And today I'll probably put my hair back in a loose bun, so I have it just protected and up and it's not getting all this friction on my hair. I will wear my hair down. I'm not afraid to wear it down, but I do like to protect my hair. And also this is a hair oil that I made. It's been going on 2 years. I have different labels. So I got hair in my nose. My hair went in my nose on my nose. It's and this one, it does have MSM, and that helps build keratin, and it contains sulfur, which helps produce collagen. Sorry, my eyes. I have no glasses. I don't have my glasses. My reading glasses right here. And this one is one of my first labels that I made. It's super cute. It's like a tiny little label maker that I got from Temu. And it just prints out little labels. And that was my first one. Then I went on to get different labels. But this is it right here. I don't know if you can see it because of light, but it's super cute. And I have not really been selling my hair oils. I had them on Etsy for a while. I do have an LLC for it, so I do have a business for that. This has helped my hair tremendously. I make my own hair oils. I don't use anything really other than leave-in conditioners. I use tons of different drugstore leave-in conditioners, and then I switch it up a little bit to natural. So I kind of go back and forth. But this is something that I was using religiously for almost 2 years, morning, night, every single day, and I'm not kidding. I would not wash it out till my wash day. Now I've gone down a little. I don't use it quite every morning and night, but I do it every couple of days. And I definitely put this in my scalp because the MSM is so key to helping all these baby hairs. So I try not to forget to do that with my hair oil. I'm telling you, this has done wonders. I've sold it at work, and I really wish I would have got these um, people that would talk about it and or reviews, however you want to say it. But these people have gone on. I don't know where they went. They went to other jobs, and one girl was getting my hair oil, probably stayed consistent for a couple of months. I don't know if she moved. I don't know where she went. And I unfortunately lost the number because I had a new phone, and mine just I don't know. So through time, you know, I lost contact with these people, and I really wish that I can get a hold of them, but I'm so happy that it helps them. But I just want to share why I sleep with protective hairstyles, why it's so important. And it may seem like a long time of hair growth, but I look at pictures and from 3 months ago, so that is why I do it that way. And I see how much my hair has grown. It just gives me encouragement. It lets me know that it's possible to grow your hair. And I do apologize. I'm filming on my Canva right now, and it's always glitchy because I'm charging my phone. And it's something this year for Christmas, I'm hoping to get a better camera to film, more professional. So that is a goal of mine so I can have better videos coming out. So bear with me. I am new to YouTube, but I am not brand new to hair growth. So that is why I'm here to share with you and let you know that it's possible to have thriving hair no matter what age you are, and just grow your hair long. If you don't want to grow your hair long, just have full, vibrant hair. And little things that you can do to make your hair look full if it's not very full is do things like this, braiding, or, you know, just to have that full look. Anyway, I will put that in the description. Don't forget to click on that and leave your email, and you'll be getting those free ebooks, free tips, transformational tips, and I hope to hear from you. If you have any questions, if you have any things you're struggling with, let me know down below, and let me know if you've been there, if you've lost some hair. It is just one of the most devastating feelings. I know how it is, but just let me know, and I can hopefully be here and give you all the transformational tips. Until then, you have a great rest of your morning, and I thank you so much for stopping by.